Thank you for joining me for this trade review video using the Go Zone automated trading bot. Hello, my name is Ron Myers. I'm one of the founders of Go Zone Trading. Our goal is to simplify trading by giving you the strategies and tools needed to make trading as easy as possible. That being said, let's take a look and see how we are achieving our goal. Before we get started, please take a moment and pause this video and read our disclosure. This video is for educational purposes only. Please be aware that past performances do not guarantee future results. The game plan for this review video: we will go over the complete trading session and review every task the ATB made along with the profit and losses. Then we'll play the video of the same session sped up so you can see the ATB trade this several-hour period in only a couple of minutes. The market we'll be trading today is the Nasdaq 100 on a 5-minute time frame. The first thing we're going to review is how to set up our trading plan. Okay, we are going to be risking 2% on each trade today. We have our stop loss set at 45 points. We're going to turn on the ATB to start 5 minutes after the cash market opens. We're going to end it at 2200 hours. We've got auto trade close on, and we are going to have any open trades closed at 2030. On the exit of the Go Zone, we're going to close out 75% of our trade. We have our first partial take profit at 60 points. If we hit that target, we're going to close out 50% of our trade. Our breakout line level, we have a 1-point buffer. And the maximum total loss on today's trade I'm willing to take is 4%. Maximum total gain is 10%. This is a Nasdaq 100 CFD market on a 5-minute time frame. The market opened here. We had the ATB turn on 5 minutes later. Since we are already in a go zone, the ATB immediately put us in on trade confirmation. The market moved down 60 points to our first take profit. The ATB closed out 50% of our trade for a $129 gain, then continues in our direction for just under 3 hours more until we come out of the go zone where the ATB closed out 75% of the remaining trade for another $191 gain. As the go zone starts here and the ATB closes the final part of our trade for another $57 gain, and immediately puts us into a long position. However, I had the auto trade close set at 2030, so the ATB closed out our trade 5 minutes later for a $29 loss. We had a grand total net gain of $348.36, which is a 3.6% gain approximately, which is an excellent result. This trade could have been so much better if I just used my normal take profit target of 120 points instead of 60, or had the auto trade close set for an hour later. Hindsight is always 20/20. Fact is, I was not going to be around for this trade, so I set it up as conservatively as I could. So I'm happy with the 3.6% gain. Using the ATB as an assistant while you're trading this session, you certainly could have been more aggressive. But since I set this up 4 hours before the market opened, I was not going to see the results until the next day. I went the conservative route. Now, let's take a look at how the ATB executed this trading session. I would like to thank you again for joining me on this trade review, and I hope this helps you understand the advantages of trading with the Go Zone ATB. If you have any questions, please email us at contact@gozonetrading.com. Until next time, have a great stress-free trading day. Thank you.